infrastructure and all. So let's start with the review quickly. So why I'm reviewing this college, as you understand, this is the NIRF rank 169th rank. So it's a great college with a good amount of infrastructure, and it's continuously has got 7 VTU ranks in top notch. So 7 VTU ranks, and for engineering side it has introduced a couple of more courses, and it is ranked as a platinum category institute by AICT survey. So that's the reason, and MHRD it is recognized for Innovation Council, right? Now about the BMSIT, which this college is a sister college of BMS College of Engineering, and this was started in 2002, as you see, as an engineering college, and then so on further. And location wise, it is based out of Yelahanka in the Bangalore region, and it's a big 21.5 acres green lush campus, and it's around just 10 kilometers from the Bangalore airport from the location perspective, right? So as I said, this is a super 21 acres beautiful campus. So it's a green campus, eco-friendly campus with a green cover and 3,000 plus trees for all varieties planted there, and they have good rainwater harvesting systems as well as sewage treatment plants, everything maintained by horticultural department. So this is the entrance of the college, and I'm also presenting some of the pictures of the college infrastructure, so that you are aware of it's how good and beautiful environment you will get as a part of this infrastructure. So all of good things are there, and location wise, this is the location. As I said, it's in Yelahanka, so Dodapallapur main road. And in case you have any further query after reviewing my video, you can ask me, or you can even contact college for the complete review, right? Complete details. So now going straight away to the MCA department. So MCA department was started from this time the college was started in 2003. So college started in 2. And now more details about the MCA program. This is a 2-year program, and it has intake capacity of 10. Currently there are 10 faculty for MCA, and 4 of them are doctorate, 6 of them are PhD, and so on, right? So this is very small snapshot of how, and the intake, as I said, is 60. This is the other programs also for MTech who is interested, but MCA is 60, and the admission process, as you always also know, it's a PG set called PGCET college, which I am reviewing here. So qualification criteria is same, 50% marks for PG courses for in your UG, and also you can get admission to management seat of this college through KMAT process, right? So PG CET and the KMAT, 2 are the exams. Now coming to the infrastructure part, so they have a huge number of auditoriums, seminar halls, etc., which basically is required for conducting big size meetups, as well as in industry interactions, and a lot of industry interaction with they have signed MOU with good number of companies. You see Volvo, Toyota, and so on, and also it is with many of the top universities, so that they can establish a good cross industry program. So this is one of the pictures of the such interactions. And coming to the library part of it, so again it is a computerized library with a good number of 56,000 books already there, journals, 100 plus journals, and digital library with some 92 computers are already there. So everything is there part of this. This is one of the pictures of the library, so which is currently there for also MC department. And also they have a lot of meets, as I said, for engineering graduates, because that is the main course. So, and coming to the other parts, which is a hi-fi Wi-Fi enabled campus, 550 Mbps bandwidth, medical facilities available for students, apart from entrepreneurship cell or center of innovation which is there. Some of the more facilities for the students which are they covered here are banking facility in the campus, CCTV surveillance for all of the, and then education facilitation centers, fee department, and all other departments there, right? These are some of the pictures of the students life, right? So they have do a lot of cultural events and other for the development of the students. Coming to the sports and the gym part of it, so they do have all the sports facilities inside the campus, be it the outdoor one like football, basketball, volleyball, cricket, gym, and indoor ones like badminton, chess, carom, and they also participate in a lot of inter-college events. Cafeteria, again, it's a couple of them are there, and these are 2 of them. You can see, so many of them are there, so to facilitate good environment, and also sports. I said about transportation is available, so 13 buses fly over Bangalore area, right? And they have the hostels for both the boys and the girls, so nothing to worry about that. And they have the gym facility within the hostel itself, industrial and the internship visit I touched upon. So in lot of students also get internship, which is before the placement opportunity to learn into the industry itself, right? So I'm also presenting the number of students who got internship opportunity in previous year, right? So you can see these are the students and the period of internship for which they have gone for the this training. And this training also sometimes, most of the time, results in the pre-placement offer. So this is very important part of overall curriculum. Now coming to the placement part of it, so 90 plus companies visit this college and they pay salary between 3 lakhs to 26 lakhs, and the average is around 6 lakhs, 5 to 6 lakhs is the average salary for this college, so which is very good. Yeah. Now coming to the, as I said, 95 96 companies. So this is the breakup of last 5 years, the number of companies visited. So it is increasing up to close to 100. And also the number of offers made, so those are also increasing from 360, 390, 441 to now 485. So close to 500 offers for the students. But specifically for MCA, this is the right sheet you have to see. For the MCA part of it, right, you see the number of students for 5 years performance of placement. So 17 students got placed in 2017, some more students 18, then 20, then 23 and 21. So you see the number of students who are getting placed, the number of seats are 60, right? So out of 60, 21, 23 are placed, right? And with the median salary of 5 to 6 lakhs, which is an average, right? And about the company I have already told about. So most large number of companies, 96, but these are just 5-10 of them. You see Wipro, you see Cognizant, you see PwC, Cloudterra. But don't worry, I will show you the student wise placement for MCA and the next 5-10 seconds, right? So just wait for that. And this is the what I was showing. This is the MCA placement, so it has nothing to do with engineering. So MCA, these are the 23 students which got placed. So you can see MCA student getting placed in Cognizant, which is good company, Nokia, which is a good company, Checkpoint is a very good company, Fidelity is a banking company, Tech Mahindra is a good bank company, Cerner is a very good company, and so on, right? So most of the students, then Socialite General you also see at the bottom. And also it also gives the salary of those students, 4 lakhs, 4,95,000, 6 lakh, 3 lakh 50,000, and those type of things. So 23 students got placed in 2020, and I am just displaying the names of and company wise details of those. So you can stop for some time and also see the student's name also mentioned there with their USN number. So this is the complete MCA placement